What if I told you you could have time, financial, and geographical freedom if you learn to leverage your laptop? Hi, I'm Alex Duthie, founder of Build Your Best Life, and I've found a way to do just that. I'd like to share with you what I've come to learn, that there is a far better way to live your best life than the traditional go to school, get good grades, graduate with a ton of debt, then fight your way to the top of the ladder to get a secure job, to then find yourself working hard your entire life for an uncertain retirement at the bitter end. The system just isn't set up for our success. If you're anything like me, you're sick to death of trading all your time for money, working in a job you hate, not being paid anything near what you're worth, building your boss's dreams instead of your own, and then never getting to see your family. That was me for over a decade, working my ass off, depressed and burned out as a personal trainer, until I came across a way to make money online. And you know what? It's so simple. It just takes a bit of self-belief. But if you're not interested in learning to earn online, please skip this video because I don't want to waste your time. If you are though, maybe today I'm the right guy at the right time, finally getting you to see that you don't have to work your entire life in your unfulfilling job to earn your freedom. I believe your life shouldn't leave you feeling stressed out and completely exhausted, and it most certainly shouldn't take all your time away from your loved ones. No, life should be fun and free, and money should flow to you passively and abundantly with ease. From my experience, if you have the right education and the skill set and strategy online to turn your passions into profits, it can be. So what I'd like to do is personally invite you to learn how you too can build your own automated digital asset of your own by sending you the same 6 free video series that has changed my life. All you have to do is click the link below and you'll be taken to my website, which looks like this. Once you are there, all you have to do is enter your name and email address to get your free videos now. It's extremely important for me to mention that this is all without having to quit your day job, needing prior technological experience, and needing a large upfront capital. Look, the reality is that the entire world is going digital, and working from home has never been more important than it is now with this awful pandemic going on. Why not move in the direction towards what is now going to be the biggest shift in our generation? Maybe today is the day you think, enough is enough. I do need to learn how to make money online before this recession hits me. If you do, I believe that you won't regret learning this, because I can honestly tell you, if I can do this, you can definitely do this. I'm living proof that if an absolute technophobe with no sales or marketing background can, you can. You can probably tell just how passionate I am about this by the tone of my voice, but that's only because this stuff is real and it does work. Not just for me, but for thousands of our students who have been able to quit their jobs in the rat race to live a life of time, financial, and geographical freedom. These 6 free videos literally changed our lives, and maybe they could change yours too. At the end of the day, you have nothing to lose and everything to gain by watching them, as they are 100% free. Having said that, just because they are free, it doesn't take away the huge amount of value you'll get from watching them. But don't take my word for it. Go see for yourself before this video is gone forever. Thanks a lot for listening. I really appreciate you. Now go ahead and give yourself permission to build your best life online by clicking on this link below, and I'll speak to you very soon.